What's up, guys? Take a look at what I'm unloading. Oh, love letters. Giant 4 feet tall love letters. So here they are. Giant love letters. So they're made out of wood with pot lights, which is actually quite nice because if anything breaks, I think I'll know how to fix them. I'll probably slap a new coat of paint on them. They all plug in. Unfortunately, they don't plug into each other, but doesn't seem to be a problem. Just one power bar worked for them. So notice right behind them there's dimmer switches, so we can dim them down. So yeah, I'll be renting these out a little bit cheaper than everyone else just to get some traffic on my website. So this is love letters. So here's them dimmed down pretty much to the lowest. So yeah, they look pretty good. My plan with the love letters is I want to recoup the cost that I spent on them right away. I didn't really want to spend $500 on the letters, but I felt that it was needed and I felt like I got a good deal. So I'm sending emails out to my previously booked photo booth customers, the ones who come in and actually pick up the booths, and I'm letting them know that they can book these awesome love letters for $50 added onto their final balance. And so we'll see if I can get enough bookings to pay the $500 for it. I have faith that I'm going to be successful, as I've established relationships with most of these brides booking 2020 weddings. So that's my my attempt to get these love letters paid for. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.